In this video, we're going to cover a new option that allows sales orders for sourced items to be automatically finalized when the PO is received. The PartsWatch system already has an option that allows the user to finalize invoices for sourced items up front when the customer places the order. This makes the sourcing process quick and easy, but does not allow for any adjustments in case the supplier doesn't ship the item or the customer doesn't pick it up. Now, for commercial accounts only, a new option allows the invoice to instead be automatically finalized when the purchase order for the sourced items is received. This option is found in Controls, System, General Setup, and it's called Auto Finalize Sourced Received Charge Invoices. If using this option, the counter person will click Finish on the invoice screen to place the order. The sales order will remain open with a status of sourced. When the full quantity of a sourced invoice is received and the purchase order is transferred into stock, the invoice will be finalized and printed to the invoice printer. This will occur regardless of how the PO is received, manually, automatically, scanned, or via an ASN. If a sourced sales order had a partial receipt, but now the remaining quantity is being received, the invoice will then be automatically finalized and printed upon receiving the final item. There are some account settings and conditions that will prevent invoices from being automatically finalized and printed when orders are received. First, if the account has Stop Over Credit Limit checked and they're over their credit limit. Next, the account has No Invoice Past checked and is past due. The account's Lockout flag is checked, or the account's pay type is set to cash, or it's a retail account. In any of these cases, when the PO is received, the invoice status will be set to sourced received, but the invoice will not be finalized or printed. It's up to the user to be aware of these conditions and monitor the system for sourced sales orders that remain non-finalized after a PO receipt. The user should periodically run the sales order status report with status set to sourced received. Some sales orders, such as those belonging to accounts over the credit limit, might be finalized manually by a manager. For partially received orders, the user might want to let the customer know that part of their order has arrived and that other items are on back order. We hope you'll find this new feature provides flexibility and a streamlined process for fulfilling sourced orders.